Do you suffer failures? Ngayong umaga, nakakaranas ka ba niyan? Failure is only a failure when we quit. Ano po? Ang Panginoon, Diyos ng pagpapatuloy. Kaya nga ang church may perpetuity of the church. Mawala man tayo rito, the church will continue until Jesus comes. If you fail now, makapwedeng bukas bumangon ka. Kung hindi ma-save ngayon yung winitnessan mo, makapwedeng bukas. Pwedeng next week, pwedeng next month. Para walang dugo na singilin sa ating mga kamay. Have you been defeated? Nakaranas ka na ba niyan? Talunan? The message tells us that we are called to be victorious. Continue in the Lord. Failure is only a failure when we quit. At mga totoong mananampalataya, we are not quitters. We are winners. We are born of God and we are born to win.